Never waste no time, never let you go. I'ma be like Usher, give it to you nice and slow. All the girls around the world got nothing on you. You know you got it, girl. You got it. I want you to follow me, follow me, follow me.
Hey kings and queens, welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, I do call all of my lovely family, my subscribers, kings and queens, because you are royalty and you should be addressed as none other than royalty. Point blank period. If you want to go ahead and join the loyal royal fam, then go ahead and smash that subscribe button. And yeah, so today you come because you want to see how to get these space buns, these cute, you know, really nice looking space buns. This is all my natural hair, inspired by my lovely friend Christina. Period. I wanted to see more natural hair videos, so here we go. So sit back and relax. If you guys want to continue to see how I got my space buns on my own natural hair, then just keep on watching.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
you are taking over my mind, and it feels like you don't know my name. I swear, it feels like you don't know my name. Round we go, will you ever know? Oh, baby, baby, I see us on our first date. You're doing everything that makes me smile. And we had our first kiss. It happened on a Thursday. And oh, it set my soul on fire. Oh, baby, 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 I can't wait for the first time. Your imagination's running wild. Feels like you don't know my name. And I swear it, baby, feels like you don't know my name. Round and round we go. Will you ever know? I'm too much ever done for anyone's attention. Take notice of what's in front of you, 'cause did I mention you about to miss a good thing? And you'll never know how good it feels to have all of my affection. And you'll never get a chance to experience my loving, 'cause my loving feels like you don't know my name. And that's how it feels like you don't know my name. Oh, you never knew it. No, 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 no. No, no. Will you ever know it?
Well, I'm gonna have to just go ahead and call this boy. Hello?
You don't know my name.
Alright you guys, thank you so much for reaching the end of this video. I'm so glad that you watched it all the way through and you enjoyed it. I just wanted to go ahead and say I love each and every single one of you. And I wanted to let y'all know that the subscribers have been moving like a lot, like each day. So like I said, as soon as we hit 50K, your giveaway is coming your way. So y'all make sure to share, like, subscribe, comment, share it to a friend if your friend doesn't know how to do her space buns. Help a sister out. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I love each and every single one of you, and I can't wait to see you in the next one. Peace out. Bye. Pew pew pew, you got the space buns on deck, perfectly shaped. All right, that's enough of that. Peace out, bye.